Welcome everybody, this is WhenToTrade.com. This session is to give you an idea about how to use indicators in the WhenToTrade charting module. So what you see here is an Euro US dollar chart for this forex pair. We are on live mode, so we see real data coming in. This is a daily chart, just for explanation here. And the indicator are based in this section, which is called studies. So if you press the study button, you can apply different studies to the chart. So if you scroll just down the list of indicators which are available, you will see that quite all standard indicators are included into the charting platform here. So from averages, smoothing to normal indicators, everything what you would expect from a charting platform is for sure is in here. So the easy way is just to search for your indicator. Just select where to plot as a new panel, press apply. This is just a standard RSI indicator, and then it shows up on the chart. So this is the standard what you would expect from every charting model to apply indicators. The special thing here, what I want to highlight, is that you can use indicators on indicators. This means that you don't have to script or write a line of code if you want to combine different indicators into one a composite indicator. You can do this just by drag and drop on the chart. So let's, for example, if we want to create a sophisticated RSI index which matches to our individual requirements, we can do different things. First, for example, we want to smooth out the price data, so we will first apply a special smoothing engine. So for sure there are also included special indicators which I've added. So this is a Nucleus moving average that has a very smooth function here. So I will just add this indicator to the price chart in this case. Then in the second window you can use just the parameters you want to apply to this indicator. So in this case we will just use the standard settings here. So what now shows up is this smooth price data here on our price chart, and what I want to do now is just to use this smooth price curve to build the RSI on this RSI plot here. So we will open up just a new study. In this case we want to build the RSI index. We want to have it plotted on the already open RSI plot section here. So we will plot the RSI index and the new index indicator plotted on the RSI index, which is already there. Now, and instead of using the closed data, we will now select as input parameter our smooth source, which was the Nucleus moving average I've applied here to the price data. So this will be our source. We can use just a closer period and then put it in a different color. And now what now applies on the chart here on the RSI indicator is the RSI index used by the smooth price curve. And what you will see here, so this is a individual constructed RSI index now without writing a line of code. And this is what I want to feature in this short session. So you can construct indicators out of indicators. So thousands of combinations are possible just by using these indicators, just by drag and drop with the mouse. So there's no need to write even one line of code to construct your individual indicators. And just to show you the effect here, the Nucleus moving average has a great smoothing here, and if you apply these to the RSI settings, so you try to use the standard trade signals here, which means that crossing above the lower band is a buy signal and crossing down below the upper band is a sell signal. So let's highlight this here on the chart. So here would be the buy signal, and then we have a smooth, and then it's a fast breakdown. So the signals are quite clear and sharp, which means that we had our sell signal here, and then you see it changed quite sharp into the next up move, which was regressed here, which means that we had the next buy signal in very early here. So it's very nice to trade these these sections here. And even if we move back the chart and just look it up, so this was the buy the sell signal came in here, so this grabbed us a nice down move here for this period here. Yeah, we had exactly 3 sell signals going active here during this topping period. The first sell signal, the third sell signal came in here. So during this period, the RSI, the breakdown of these index showed us clearly these 3 sell signals, and then here we had the next buy signals. So we have got quite clear trading signals based on these technique here, and you see here the break up between the lower band was a sharp one regressed here. So here was the buy signal until this period. Yeah, and you see nicely the breakdown below the upper band was exactly the case, yeah, exactly at the top here, and the buy signal came in just here, this move here. So the last breakdown here between here was here clearly seen, which means it was here. And so you can go forward. So what I want to demonstrate here, that you get quite superior indicators if you just review the Euro US dollar price behavior on the chart, which I have labeled here. You can see how superior these trade logic might look, and I've shown you it's just a combination of some indicators which will give you just for this example these nice trade combinations here. So and we can we can go forward with this example here, but this is just an simple one to show you first one idea how to combine indicators, and just to show you that with the charting module it's just a matter of clicks to build your individual indicators. So you can go forward with this technique thousands of times. For sure you can apply also the cycle indicators, so we can apply the cycle swing indicator, which is a special cycle toolkit, to the chart. This here is the I would just give it a different color here. Let's just use this one here. So this is the cycle swing index, and what you can do now, if you're interested in, you can plot an RSI index based on the CSI. So what we will do now is we will or just a relative strength, or just an MCAT index, just to have something new. We want to plot it at a new panel. So, and this in this case we will use the cycle swing index as a source here. So this will give you quite interesting ways how to combine indicators. So this MACD indicator is not based on price, it's based on the cycle swing index. So, and you can see you can derive also very nice new trading signals based on this indicator here. So, and it's just a matter of click to set this up. In normal trading platforms, I think you would have to write scripting and codes to build all these individual ways of constructing new individual indicators. I think I've showed you that it's just a drag and drop session in my charting engine, and this was another reason to write it. I want to make it quite handy and easy to build up your composite individual indicators for trading without the need to write a code. So thanks for listening.